Good day. I hope you are doing well. So this is a continuation of composite of functions. So now let's take a look on composite functions. A composite function is created when one function is applied to the result of another function. So it means we are substituting another function into the other function. So if f and g are functions, then the composite function fg of x is defined as f of g of x is equal to fg of x. So this means f of g, you know of means times. So f of g of x is the same as fg of x. F g of x, like this. So it means we are substituting g of x into f of x. All right. Fg of x means f composed with g, which means g is being substituted into f. What are the steps to find a composite function? The first step is to identify the inner function. Then you apply the inner function, and the last step is to apply the outer function, which means we are substituting g of x into f to get fg of x. Now let's look at this example. It will make sense when doing an example. Okay, it is given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared. Find f g of x. They can just okay, let me say this. Find let's do it this way. They can do it like this and this way. So this just means f of g of x is equal to f g of x, this way. So it means, first of all, we identify g of x. Our g of x is equal to what? X squared. So it means f, where there is g of x, you put your what? Your x squared. Let's put x squared in place of g of x. Now it means, all right, this f is just means f of x is the same as f of x. If they say f and g, it just means f of x or g of x. So this f stands for f of x. So let's write our f of x. It's 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. So if they say f x squared, where there is x in f of x, we are putting what? X squared. F g of x means where there is x, we are putting g of x. So let's write our f of x is 2x plus 3. So in f of x, where there is x, we are putting what? X squared. Where there was x in this function, we are putting x squared plus what? 3. So it will be 2x squared plus 3. This is our f of g of x. It's 2x squared plus 3. So what you have to understand is fg of x means where there is x in f of x, we are putting what? G of x. So we take our f of x, where there is x, you put g of x, which is x squared.